Good morning, friends. I'm going to demo you one of our reference restaurant application. It has three parts. One is the web application, second is the POS point of sales, third is the mobile application. Right now, which you can see, it's a web application. I'm going to log in into the system. Okay, so as soon as you log in, you can see settings. First of all, let me tell you, this is the multi-tenant application. This is a SaaS-based solution where the multiple companies can register themselves by filling their basic informations, their logo, and they can also create the multiple branches with this company. They can also add delivery cost into this system. They can also create delivery location. They can manage their cost of account, and they can also add their local taxes. It depends on the country to country and cities. They can also create their own taxes. Now going further to the user management part. So it has user management part where you can add a new user with name, email ID, phone number, branches, and you have kind of action like edit, delete, active, permissions. A restaurant can also avail the facility for the loans to their internal employees. So if there is some, then they can track this here with the name, loan account number, user number, branch number, loan date, loan amount, and so on. It has reward setting as well, where you can see the user designation, branch, reward adding. It has role and permission module as well, where the user can set up a permission which user can see what module. You can check or uncheck as per the permission. Now going further to the inventory management part of this, user will be able to manage their inventory. It has items, inventory, preparation, transfer, receive, vendors, adjustment, reconciliation. Let's go one by one. So item, you can create the new item into the system by types of the items. It may be raw material, it may be packaging, it may be utilities, cleaning, and others. You can name the item, you can write the short description of the item, and you can select kg, liter, or the unit price. You can select cost per items. You can have the taxes once, and of course you can see the preferred vendor with the boxes and the pieces. So once you create the new item, this will be added here with the images. And of course you can filter the items with raw material, packaging, utilities, or others. Inventory. The inventory has you can see all the inventory with the images, the item name. This is the branches like POS 1 branch, POS 2 second branch, the warehouse is the second branch, and it has the multiple branches facility. Right top you can see, you can filter it by the branches. Suppose you select other branch, all the relevant data will display related to other branch. And one more thing, it has call center facility as well, where the customer can call to the number and place the orders. Okay, now going further for the preparation part, it has preparation, the semi-finished item. The gravy is kind of semi-finished item where you can see the Italian gravy, and once you click on it, then you can see this gravy belongs to this POS, this branch, and it has the item code, it has the quantity, available quantity, and you can also see the preparation quantity with unit price. You can see the preparation cost for this particular gravy and semi-finished item. Transfer, you can transfer one item from one branch to another branch. You can see here with the transfer reference number, where you can see the serial number, items, quantity, branch, and the date. The transfer by, status, received by, and so on. The receive the same manner. You can see the receive with the receive date, receive number, receive source, vendors, branch received, received amount, received by, status, and the actions. You can manage your vendor here with the vendor name, and all the items belongs to this particular vendor with their the basic information like address, email, phone number, and so on. Adjustment, you can make the adjustment with the adjustment number, source name, reference number, item, the branch number, and so on. And you can filter it by today, yesterday, last 7 days, this month, last month, and customize. You can also search it on a search box. Reconciliation, reconciliation has the serial number, reconciliation number, name, branch, start date, end date, status. It has the menu item as well. The menu has the categories, the semi-finished, and the recipe. The category, you can create a new category by filling the category name, description, and their images. Like we have already created some categories like coffee. Coffee is one of the category, and once you click on it, you see the subcategory of this coffee, like espresso, latte, latte small. These are the subcategory of coffee. You can also create it. Now going further, for the semi-finished item, you can add a new semi-finished by item name, descriptions, unit, the images which you want to upload. And you can see like Italian gravy is the semi-finished items. Recipe, you can see the recipe for this particular item, like apple 77 juice. So once you click on it, you can see that what item is taken at what quantity and what is the cost of this particular item. So you can see here the costing part as well, and you can decide your costing based on, you can decide your selling price based on the costing. Suppose the costing is $10, so you can decide so $20. I mean, if you want to keep the margin of $10, so it depends on you how much margin you want to make. Now going further, for the CRM part, the CRM has you can manage your customer with their basic information, with their phone number, date of birth, branches, and you can also see the payment received with the invoice number. Against this invoice, you have received this payment, what is the order type, what is the order status, and you can also see the customer feedbacks. It's a very important feature because every restaurant want to see the feedback from the customers. They can see their customer feedback by the rating, like 1, 2, 3, 4, and newsletter facility. It has newsletter facility as well. It has discount facility as well, where you can create the new discount for all the customers. It has loyalty program as well, where you can send birthday wishes, you can send reminder messages every 15 days, every 30 days, every 45 days, every 60 days. You can send bring back offer, you can send bring back points, you can send loyalty point setting, and so on. Going further, for the purchase, you can see the purchase with the purchase order number, date, item, unit, quantity, unit cost, taxes, tax amount, and so on. Orders, you can see, I'm sorry, I'm just going back to the purchase part. The purchase has other part as well, like bills. You can see all the bills here with the bill number, if receive number, bill date, vendor, some other information. You can see all the payment received with the bill number, paid amount, mode of the payment. You can see all the closed order. Okay, so going to the order part, you can see all the orders, today's order, you can see future orders, you can see draft order, you can see closed order, you can see hold orders. The reporting part, so it has all the reports, all the relevant reports which the restaurant company want to see, like daily reports from the purchase, daily reports of their inventory level, daily report for the inventory consumption, daily report for the purchase order, late arrivals, cash reports. And of course they can filter it by today, yesterday, 7 days, or a month. Sales orders, they can see the sales order with invoice number, order type, order status, total, branch name, and so on. Now at the end, like dashboard, you can see all the relevant information, the brief about the dine-in, pickup, delivery. You can filter it by the branches, you can filter it by date, you can see the sales order, you can see the closed order, you can see cancelled order, purchase order, received purchase order, closed PO, total discount, total tax. You can see closed order for today in the graphical pictorial form. You can see top order items, you can see some other relevant things. So you can also manage your profile from here. Okay, so we have built this system from scratch at .NET platform. So for the detailed discussion or the detailed demo, please connect me or let me know if you have any question. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.